raven himself is hoarse, that croaks the fatal entrance of Duncan under my battlements. Come, you spirits that tend on mortal thoughts, unsex me here, and fill me from the crown to the toe, top full of direst cruelty. Make thick my blood. Stop up the access and passage to remorse, that no compunctious visitings of nature shake my fell purpose, nor keep peace between the effect and it. Come to my woman's breast and take my milk for gall, you murdering ministers, wherever in your sightless substances you wait on nature's mischief. Come, thick night, and pall thee in the dunnest smoke of hell, that my keen knife see not the wound it makes, nor heaven peep through the blanket of the dark to cry, hold! Hold!
Oh, what a noble mind is here o'erthrown. The courtiers, soldiers, scholars, eye, tongue, and sword. The expectancy and rose of the fair state. The glass of fashion and the mold of form, the observed of all observers, quite down. And I, of ladies most deject and wretched, that suck the honey of his music vows, now see that noble and most sovereign reason, like sweet bells jangled out of tune and harsh, that unmatched form and feature of blown youth, blasted with ecstasy. Oh, woe is me, to have seen what I have seen, see what I see.
Some can be. Through Athens, I am thought as fair as she. But what of that? Demetrius thinks not so. He will not know what all but he do know. And as he errs, doting on Hermia's eyes, so I, admiring of his qualities, things base and vile, folding no quantity, love can transpose to form and dignity. Love looks not with the eyes, but with the mind. And therefore is winged Cupid painted blind. Nor hath love's any judgment taste, wings and no eyes, figure unheedy haste. Therefore is love said to be a child, because in choice he is so oft beguiled. His waggish boys in game themselves forswear, so the boy love is perjured everywhere. For ere Demetrius looked on in Hermia's eyne, he held down oaths that he were only mine. And when this hellsome heat from Hermia felt, so he dissolved, and showers of oaths did melt. I will go tell him of fair Hermia's flight. Then to the wood will he tomorrow night pursue her, and for his intelligence, if I have thanks, it is a dear expense. But here in me and I to enrich my pain, to have a sight thither and back again. Bye!
Thou detestable maw, thou womb of death, gorged with the dearest morsel of the earth, thus I force thy rotten jaws to open, and despite I'll cram thee with more food. Oh, my love, my wife. Death, that had sucked the honey of thy breath, hath had no power yet upon thy beauty. Thou art not conquered. Beauty's ensign yet is crimson in thy lips and in thy cheeks. and death's pale flag is not advanced there. How art thou yet so fair? Shall I believe that unsubstantial death is amorous, and that lean, abhorred monster keeps thee here in the dark to be his paramour? For fear that I still will stay with thee, and never from this palace of dim night depart again. Here will I remain. Here will I set on my everlasting rest. Eyes, look your last. Arms, take your last embrace. Lips, oh, you, the doors of breath, seal with a righteous kiss the stateless bargain to engrossing death. Here's to my love. O true apothecary, thy drugs are quick, and thus, with a kiss, I die.